Right, the magistrate is gone, but the judge will face a tribunal if he elects to face the tribunal. Health Cabinet Secretary Susan Nakhumicha has appealed to doctors to abandon their plans to go on strike and create room for dialogue. Now, the CS, who was speaking in the county of Kisumu after launching the Nyanza KEMSA Distribution Center, pleaded for patience as her ministry attempted to get a lasting and sustainable solution to the challenges as raised. However, the KMPDU Secretary General Devji Atela, who spoke while in hospital with KTN, is adamant that the planned strike will go on schedule. Brahman Bwire reports.
Health Cabinet Secretary Susan Nakhumicha was in Kisumu to officially launch the Nyanza KEMSA Distribution Center. While addressing the media, the CS urged doctors to withdraw the strike notice and come back to the negotiation table. The Cabinet Secretary says that most of the raised issues by the doctors will require interventions from counties, the Treasury, doctors themselves, and her ministry before being fully operationalized.
If they went to a strike, who will suffer? It's the common Kenyan, the patient. So I want to seek that they be patient as we work together. And the solution that we are going to agree on is not by the ministry. We are not going to prescribe a solution. It's a solution that they are going to participate in, a solution that the county governments, who are the employers of doctors, are going to participate in, a solution where the national parliament is going to participate in, a solution where Treasury and other stakeholders are going to be part of it.
Despite Nakhumicha's dialogue call, the KMPDU Secretary General Devji Atela, who is still in hospital, remains adamant that the Monday strike notice is still on.
Every struggle comes at a price. And sometimes it's not an individual struggle, it's a struggle of a community, it's a struggle of the society. And the need to have a functional healthcare must all be our resolves as doctors, as healthcare workers, and as Kenyans. And therefore, it should not be stopped by any canister or any bullets or any actions or any individuals who is misadvised, because the same persons need healthcare for themselves and for their families. And therefore, we must soldier on. When it comes to next week that we are commencing our industrial action, we expect all the doctors to actually demand that their interns are posted, that the postgraduates are trained and specialized to help the Kenyans, that the hospitals are stocked, that they should not, that their role should not be just providing deaths in the hospitals, but ideally they should give quality of care to all the Kenyans, regardless of the socio-economic status.
The official launch of the Nyanza KEMSA Distribution Center comes with a lot of relief for the 11 lakeside counties who have been forced to wait for more than 2 weeks before receiving orders from the national distributor. Bramwell Bwire, KTN News, Kisumu.
Now, in a bizarre occurrence, a man and his wife have been living in the same house with a